Today, I'm going to show you what is a landing page and how does it work. What are the benefits of using landing pages in your digital campaigns, and most of all, and what's most important, how you can build landing pages fast. Landing page is a great tool, and there are several rules you should follow in order to get the best results. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you the best practices for creating high converting landing pages, but we'll also go through the process of building them step by step. This is something that we teach on seminars and workshops, and we use these techniques shown in these videos to generate thousands of leads every month. Keep watching! We'll start with the most important question. What is a landing page exactly? Landing page is a term we use in digital marketing. It's a kind of website that we land on from different sources like Facebook ads, Google ads, social media posts, or emails. Landing pages are designed to fulfill one specific goal, and most of the time it's collecting leads. A lead is your visitor's contact information, and depending on your business, that data may vary. Most of the time it's an email address. But to better illustrate what a lead is, think about that. Every time you sign up to some product or platform, you give information like email address, name, perhaps a phone number, and that's a lead. When you are signing up for a newsletter, that's a lead. Depending on your campaign goal, the information you collect from the visitors may change. That's why the landing pages are so handy, because they are flexible and set to fulfill this one goal. Take this landing page as an example. It's designed for marketers to share with them background images, fonts, icons, and more. The page itself is quite simple. There is a form, a video explaining what the page is about, and a short description below. With this simple landing page, we collected more than 300 leads so far, with a conversion rate at 22%, which is a great result for us. Link to this landing page is shown in the description below, so feel free to check this out. There are a couple of reasons why a landing page performs better than a regular website. But the most important one is that the landing page is set to achieve just one specific goal. For the last years, we've been observing a trend that the depth of one visit on a specific website decreases, and it's getting down to just one page on average. The attention span is decreasing, and even a goldfish can focus on one thing longer than a human. That's the main reason why marketers love to use landing pages in their marketing campaigns. It's crucial to get your visitors' attention right after they get on the page and convince them to take the desired action. When someone gets to your homepage, they need to click through the entire website to get the desired information. Even on specific subpages like products, offer, or features, there is more opportunities to leave your website for good, resulting in a poor conversion rate. Your website can collect leads, but due to the number of information, it usually performs significantly worse than a landing page. Here is an example from our field. We used to generate signups from the feature page on our website. People who clicked on the ad landed on the page describing our features and product. But since we switched to this landing page showing the same information with a nice social proof from the marketing guru Neil Patel, guess what? The number of signups skyrocketed. With a landing page, the case is simple. Maybe you want to showcase your product and give an option to buy it right away. Or you want your fans to subscribe for a newsletter. Or allow your blog readers to download a freebie. Landing page gives you 100% attention of your visitors, so there is a better chance for succeeding. In our case, besides the call to action to starting a free trial, there was an option to schedule a live training with our team or go to the pricing page to compare the plans. But after we started using this landing page for a sign-up goal only, the numbers have grown. And what's best about landing page is that you can easily edit its content and optimize it for even better results. So, by now you should know a couple of things. Number 1. Landing pages are simplified web pages with no distractors. 2. They perform great in digital marketing. Number 3. they are focused on taking one specific action by visitors. And the last one, the message on the landing page is matched to the source from which a visitor came from. And now it's time to get to the next step, which is creating your own landing page. You're probably thinking right now, landing pages are great, but I'm no programmer. I don't know any HTML, CSS, JavaScript or PHP. I don't know how to build landing pages on my own. Don't worry, you don't have to learn any coding or programming. All you need is a landing page builder and your domain. Landingy is one of the builders available on the market, and in the next few steps I'm going to show you how you can create your own landing pages very fast. There was a time when agencies and marketers spent weeks on creating landing pages for their digital campaigns. Landing page builders like Landingy allows them to create beautifully designed landing pages with a high conversion rate in a matter of hours. That's the strength of this approach. You don't need a web designer or to write a single line of code. Let's get right to it. You can use the link in the description below to get your 14 days for free. After setting up your account, you can go straight to create your landing page. It's easier to start with a template, and each builder provides some of them. Depending on the platform, the number and quality of templates is different. Choose what's best for you. Landing page builders provide drag-and-drop editors, where you can add and modify elements directly on the page. You can adjust the landing page design to suit your needs with images, different copy, videos, etc. There is no coding required, but if you know a thing or two about web design, you can spice the things up a little bit. If you want to learn more about the essentials of create a great looking landing page, check this video made by Sylvek. After you finish building your landing page, click the publish button and connect it to your domain. That's it! Your landing page is ready to rock and start generating leads. I hope you find this video helpful. But before we wrap the things up, I have a bonus for you. If you think landing pages are something for you and you would like to boost your online campaigns, I've got a few amazing templates that you can download for free. You can find links to them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you will take advantage of landing pages in your marketing campaigns right away. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell not to miss any video that is about to come. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.